We have a lot to get to this morning. I'm just going to start with what Trump is leading with, trying to make it look like Hillary Clinton is sick or something because she coughed. I just want to know where Tim Kaine was when he was clapping behind her for 2 minutes like this. If I had a coughing fit on the air, what would you do? You'd probably take over and help out. Tim Kaine, come on. What are you doing?
No,
what are you doing?
Probably could have stepped over the mic.
Step up, take the mic, get a drink of water.
Somebody's coughing or whatever.
It was a little awkward.
And we have all the conspiracy theories. And somebody was asking, somebody
it happens.
Me, oh, is this proved?
Yeah, help out.
Okay. It's a tough schedule. It's a really rough schedule, and sometimes, you know, you cough and do stuff like that. There's no
look. If she had, a health issue, do you think she would have been on the road?
No, she doesn't. That's just BS.
She doesn't have one.
She doesn't. It's silly. But
okay, here's a little bit of the cough.
I don't want to show it.
I thought you wanted to.
No,
I wasn't going to even bring it up.
I know.
And you just
Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us.
Deal.
All right. This guy's on for 2 minutes, and Tim Kaine,
he just sits
look
there.
at him. He's just sitting back there going,
grab the mic.
Anyway, I was playing Parcheesi last night with my kids.
Yeah.
And it just kept, all right, let's get off of that.
Get off. She's awesome.
So there's a conspiracy
Not
theory.
sick.
Guess what? We all cough.
Just...
Mark Alpin.
He kept waiting for her to kind of stop.
No, pick up the mic. Go get a drink of water. Isn't she awesome? Crowd goes crazy. Oh, Trump's going to jump on this one, isn't he? Crowd goes crazy. Like, guys.
Can we move on?
Campaign, please. Help.
All right.